Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we discuss that how health insurance works in California. So let's go to our topic. Affordable health insurance in California. As one of California's leading health insurance companies, American Health Plans can help you find the perfect coverage at an affordable rate. We serve all individuals, families, and small businesses. At HP, providing our clients with excellent service is our top priority. All of our agents have the resources and experience to find you the best plan at the lowest cost for your needs. American Health Plan is contracted with most major companies in the state of California. This gives us the opportunity to shop all plans and assist you with applying for the plan with the right fit at the right price. Major medical health insurance, a type of insurance coverage that pays for medical and surgical expenses that are incurred by the insured. Most major medical health insurance plans in California under the Affordable Health Care Act offer 10 essential benefits that all plans must have: deductibles, out-of-pocket limits, RX, maternity, etc. These type of plans usually have no medical underwriting and can only be written during open enrollment or a special enrollment period. Short-term major medical insurance. This type of insurance for a specified period of time, normally ranging from 1 to 11 months. Short-term plans in California typically don't cover any pre-existing medical conditions and require some sort of medical underwriting. Limited fixed benefit plans, a type of plan with reduced benefit. These types of plans are not typically required to provide the same level of coverage as a major medical plans. Limited fixed plans will limit the amount of coverage the company will pay per episode of illness or accident. This type of plan has a cap on coverage. When that cap is reached, the insured is responsible for the balance of the bill. Am I eligible for a subsidy in California? If you would like to quickly determine whether you qualify for a subsidy from the government for health insurance, you can use the tool below. Please keep in mind, a subsidy from the government can only be applied to plan you purchase during open enrollment or outside of open enrollment with a qualifying event such as a marriage, birth of a child, etc. within 60 days of the qualifying event.
Panda, foo, panda.
Jangan nembak.